Hello, class. I hope that you are fine for the video that we have today. The main topic of this specific explanation is going to be about occupations. So let's analyze how interesting this topic is. When we refer about occupations in English, is funny because it's like verbs because we have regular and irregular occupations. In other words, regular occupations are the ones that have the root of the word is a verb. For example, with a regular job or a regular occupation, we have write, that you know that is escribir. We have the word drive. We have the word, well, in this case, the verb as well, teach. And take a look that we only add er to them. Están basados en un verbo. So write, escribir, writer, escritor. Drive, manejar, driver, chofer. Teach, enseñar, teacher. So, professor, like in my case, I'm an English teacher. The irregular are the ones that don't have a verb. No se basan, las ocupaciones irregulares no se basan en un verbo. La base no es un verbo. For example, doctor, decimos cuál es la base, la raíz de la palabra no es un verbo. Nurse, etc. So there are many architects or to mention another example. That's why today we're going to analyze a little bit of this specific vocabulary. In this case, occupations in which we add er, or, or ist. We got in this case what I was just saying. The verb is write, so I write books. The occupation is writer. In this case, I build houses, so I'm a builder or also construction worker. In this case, I teach English, so the job is going to be teacher. More vocabulary. I drive a lorry. This is a lorry. It's the same than truck. So the job is going to be driver. I mop or clean offices. Mop and clean are synonyms. So in this case, cleaner. Then we got, in this specific case, I play football. So the job is going to be football player, only player, or footballer. This is another one that is very strange, the footballer. This is more British. In this case, what is the job? The job, we need to guess by memory if it is farmer, farmer, or farmist, because there are other options too. So in this case, farmer is a farmer. In this case, we got doctor. Some of them are irregular, as I said. In this case, we got the dentist. Si ustedes me dicen, ¿cómo me doy cuenta si es denter, dental o dentist con una palabra nueva? No hay manera, es memoria. So that's why memory. Okay, run. So it's gonna be runner. Dive means consumirse en el agua, sumergirse. So the job is going to be a diver, un buceador. Then in this case, we have a cyclist. So a cyclist, ciclista. Design, the verb, or the verb is design. So the job is going to be a designer. As well, we got another job that is manage, administrar. So administrador, manager. That's a word that we even use in Spanish. No se repite la E. Si yo voy a transformar el verbo, no voy a poner manager con dos E. Solo si ya tiene una E, agrego la R nada más. That's just in case. Violin, for instance, in this case, violiner, violinor, or violinist. Violinist, so that's the one. Violinist. Then decorate, we got decorator. Decorator is the job. Type, digitador, so typist. That's the job, typist. Sail, navegar. The job is going to be a sailor. Photograph, photographer. That's the job that we have in this case, a photographer. Reception, the person that works in the reception is the receptionist. Edit, editor. an editor. And those are the most common occupations. So if you have doubts, let me know. Remember that this is the difficult part, that there are many jobs that don't have a specific ending. They are not, let's say, don't have the ER, the OR, or IST. For example, chef, sorry, nurse, athlete, pilot, no se basan en ninguna raíz como la mayoría que acabamos de ver. Entonces recordemos que cuando son de verbos, la persona que se encarga de hacer, de desarrollar esa acción, esa es la ocupación. Write, writer, drive, driver. Pero hay algunos que no se basan en una raíz verbal. Entonces estos son como más irregulares. Entonces hay que aprenderlos de memoria. This is the vocabulary that we are going to study from now on in this session. Be ready to memorize and study each time more and more words to expand your vocabulary. So if you have any doubts, let me know.